Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the secrets behind artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're diving into the critical components of data processing and feature engineering in AI. These steps are like the magic behind the scenes, where raw data is transformed into valuable insights that power AI's capabilities. So, let's unlock the power of data processing and feature engineering. Data is the fuel that drives AI, but raw data often needs some tender loving care before it can be used effectively. This is where data processing comes into play. It involves collecting, cleaning, and transforming data into a structured format that AI algorithms can understand. Data cleaning is the first step in the data processing journey. It's like decluttering a messy room. In this step, we identify and handle missing values, remove outliers, and correct any inconsistencies in the data. We want to ensure that the data is reliable and free from errors that could mislead the AI algorithms. Next up, we have data normalization. It's like putting all the data on the same playing field. In this step, we rescale the data to a common range to prevent certain features from dominating others. Normalization ensures that all features contribute equally to the AI models, allowing for fair and accurate predictions. Now that we have clean and normalized data, it's time to level up our game with feature engineering. Feature engineering is the art of crafting informative and relevant features from the raw data. It's like creating a finely tuned instrument that amplifies the predictive power of AI algorithms. Feature selection is the first step in feature engineering. It involves identifying the most relevant features that contribute the most to the desired outcome. By removing irrelevant or redundant features, we can simplify the models, reduce overfitting, and enhance their performance. But wait, there's more. Feature extraction takes things a step further. It involves creating new features by combining or transforming existing ones. This can uncover hidden patterns and relationships in the data that were previously invisible. Feature extraction empowers AI models to capture complex relationships and make more accurate predictions. Data processing and feature engineering are like the secret sauce that elevates AI to new heights. Clean and well-structured data, along with carefully engineered features, fuel the accuracy and performance of AI models. These steps play a crucial role in unlocking the full potential of AI and making it a game-changer in various domains. As AI continues to advance, so does the realm of data processing and feature engineering. Researchers are exploring innovative techniques, such as automated feature engineering and deep feature synthesis, to streamline and enhance these processes. The future promises more efficient and intelligent methods for unleashing the power of data. That concludes our exploration of data processing and feature engineering, two vital steps that lay the foundation for AI's capabilities. We've witnessed how these processes clean, transform, and refine data, as well as craft powerful features that drive AI's predictive power. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to fuel AI's power with the magic of data processing and feature engineering.